Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're here, chances are you've just updated Honkai Star Rail and now the game won't even open. It just crashes on launch. It is a super frustrating bug, especially after waiting for a new patch. But don't worry, this is a known issue for 2025 and I'm here to show you the most effective fixes. Let's get right into it. One of the important things is to check your internet connection. A very unstable connection during the update process might lead to a corrupt download. If you're on a mobile network, try switching to Wi-Fi or vice versa. Of course, a simple fix that's always worth trying is just to restart your device. It can clear out any temporary memory issues and give the game a fresh start. Another culprit for this problem is a corrupted file from the update itself. This can happen during the download process for any number of reasons, so the first and foremost powerful fix is to use the game's built-in repair function. If that didn't work, let's try a different approach. A full cache or corrupted temporary data can sometimes be the issue. On Android, go to your phone settings, then to Apps, find Honkai Star Rail, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Also, you should check your device's compatibility. Check if your mobile can handle Honkai Star Rail first before you download it on the Google Play Store. If you have tried everything and the game still won't launch, your final resort is to delete and reinstall the game. This will ensure you get a completely fresh and clean installation. Before you do this, make sure your account is linked to your HoYoverse account, a social media account, or an email to prevent any loss of progress. If nothing works, the issue might be on HoYoverse's side. Check their official social media channels like HoYoLab or their Twitter for any official announcements about server issues or a new hotfix. I hope one of these solutions has helped you get back to your journey on the Astral Express. Thanks for watching!